What are you doing? You know you love me. Oh, don't act like that.
Laney.
Hey, hello. How are you today? How are you today? Oh.
Laney, you're looking the wrong way, baby girls.
Ooh, little Princess Square Bug again. Uh-oh. Ooh, you been making mommy faces, weird ones. Oh, man. Sorry.
Oh, goodness. Tell us what it's like being you.
Yeah, a rough
Tell
one?
us.
She just went to the mall and it was a rough one.
Wasn't it?
The other babies were looking at her.
They were jealous.
They were not as pretty as her.
I know.
Oh, baby. You got the hiccups?
Hiccups. Hiccups.
Oh, no.
She always gets the hiccups.
Let me take them.
Laney.
Oh,
Let's
pretty
hear
girl.
another hiccup. What? What?
Oh.
Oh, hello. She's too cute. What are you doing? You're making some silly noises, huh? Oops. Excuse me.
That was a mommy noise.
Hey, Jojo.